What is YT Create application? So hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about the YT Create application. So guys, YT stands for the YouTube Create. So YouTube Create is a free video editing app that allows users to edit long form videos and short on their Android phones. This app offers easy to use free tools that allows creator to make shorts, videos and productive production tools. With this app, users can add clips, choose from a range of the editing tools and the preview splits and term clips, thousands of the stickers and gifts and trim clips and set effects and do audio cleanup to remove unwanted background sounds. This app can also automatically generate captions that can be added to the video with the tap of a button and export the final project with the tap of the button. Export the final product to the creator's YouTube channel. So this app is available on Android phones that have at least 4G RAM. So you can install this application from Google Play Store. And so hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.